Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about this box. Now what is this box? It is known as physical weight box. Where it is used? It is used to measure the mass of an object. When we measure the mass of an object in physical balance or beam balance, this is the physical weight. Right? Now I'll show you one by one what is the weight kept in this physical weight box. This is a physical weight box. First one, you see this one. This one is, if you see very clearly that the weight of this is 100 gram. You see this one? It is saying 100 gm means gram. 100 gram. This is 100 gram, right? Next, this measurement, this weight you will see here very clearly that it is 50 or 50 gram. See, this is 50 gram, right? This is 50 gram. This is 100 gram, this is 50 gram. This one is, you see very clearly that it is 20 gm means gram, it is 20 gram, right? And here also you see this one is also 20 gram. Can you see? This one is also 20 gram. That means this one is 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram. Next, this one is this weight, you see, this is 10 gram. You see very clearly, it is written also, it is 10 gram. You see this one, this is 10 gram. This one is 10 gram, right? This one is this one is 5 gram, but not written in it. Anyway, this one is 10 gram, this one is 5 gram. This one is you see this one is 2 gram. It is not written, but it is 2 gram. You see, this one is 2 gram. And this one is also 2 gram. It is also here, you see, this is also 2 gram. And this weight is 1 gram. You see this one as 1 gram. Now, if you see clearly that this weight is 100 gram, this one is 50 gram, this one is 20 gram, this one is 20 gram, this is 10 gram, this is 5 gram, this is 2 gram, 2 gram, 1 gram, right? Now we will see the fractional weight. Here you see the fractional weight is there. Fractional weight. We will see how many fractional weight are there. We see the various fractional weight. Okay, let us see a various fractional weight. Now here you can see, I will show you one by one how many fraction weight is there. Here you see there is a 500 milligram. You see clearly here, you see it clearly that it is 500 milligram. See it here. Here you see it is 500 milligram, right? It is 500. You see clearly it is 500 milligram. Here they put 500 milligram. Let us see other weights. Here you see this one is, you see clearly, you see this one is 200 milligram. You see this one 200. 500 milligram, then again 200 milligram. You see here also that this one is also this one. You see here that this one is also 200 milligram. You see here it is clearly seen that it is written 200 mg means milligram. Then you see there are other fractions also. Here you see this one. You see it is written as 100 milligram, right? That is 100 milligram. It is 100 milligram. You see this one. This one is, you see clearly, now you see this one. This one is seen very clearly. It is 50 milligram, right? It is 50 milligram. This one is here you see this is 10, it is written 10, that it is 10 milligram. 10 milligram. This is 10 milligram. Now you see this one. See this one. It is clearly written. It is it is 10 milligram. Here you see, it is clearly written it is 5 milligram. You see this one? See, it is 5 is written. It is 5 milligram. Here you see, here this one is not written, but it is 2 milligram. Here also you see that it is also 2 milligram. It is also 2 milligram. And the last one is this one, you see. This one, you see. This one is, you see clearly. This one is 1 milligram. Right? Now I will write the various measures of this weight in the paper so that we can clearly understand Hello everyone. Now we have written the measures of the weights. Here you see, this is 100 gram, this one is 50 gram, this is 20 gram, this is again 20 gram, 10 gram, 5 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 1 gram, right? That means a good physical balance measures in the range of from 100 gram to 1 gram to 100 gram, right? A good physical balance measures from 1 gram to 100 gram. If you see the fractional part, you see here the fractions are, you see here, this is 500 gram, 500 milligram, this is 200 milligram, this is 200 milligram, 100 milligram, this is 50 milligram, this is 20 milligram, one weight we have 1 pound, but that there should be 120 milligram, one is 10 milligram, 5 milligram, 2 milligram, 2 milligram, 1 milligram. That means in the fractional part, we can measure from 1 milligram to 500 milligram. That means in a good physical balance, if you want to measure the fractional weight, then we can measure from 1 milligram to 500 milligram. Besides these weights, we can also measure more accurately with the help of riders. Riders are weights, right, used in the physical balance to measure the mass of an object accurately. Now you see what we found in these weight box. There is a one common thing. What is the common? Common, you see that there is a ratio of these weights. What is the ratio? You see this is 100 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, 10 gram, 5 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 1 gram. That means the weights of physical balance or in physical weight balance, we are getting a ratio. What is the ratio? The ratio is 5 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1. You have to remember this ratio such that you can remember the weights in the physical weight box. You see, we got the ratio as 5:2:2:1. That means here you see 5. That means 500 milligram, 200 milligram, 200 milligram, 100 milligram. That means 5:2:2:1. Again we got 50 milligram, 20 milligram, 20 milligram, 10 milligram. That means 5:2:2:1. Again we are getting 5 milligram, 2 milligram, 2 milligram, 1 milligram. That means 5:2:2:1. Right? In these weights also, you will see that this is 100 gram, this is 50 gram, this is 20 gram, this is 20 gram, this is 10 gram. And here you see this is 5:2:2:1. Here also you see that is 5 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 1 gram. That is 5:2:2:1. Now the question arises, why we put the weights in the physical weight box in the ratio of 5:2:2:1. Here you can say that in a good common physical balance, we can measure from 1 gram to 100 gram very accurately in a good physical balance. Not only that, if we want to measure in fractional term also, we can measure also from 1 milligram to 500 milligram, or 1 milligram we got here, right? That means in physical weight balance, we can measure from 1 milligram to 1 gram, and also from 1 gram to 100 gram in a good physical balance, right? So we have to put the weights of these in the ratio of 5:2:2:1, such that we can measure the mass of an object from 1 gram to 100 gram and from 1 milligram to 500 milligram very accurately in a physical balance. Now we got the detailed description of this weight box of physical balance, right? We already told you that the weights are kept in the ratio of 5:2:2:1, such that we can measure the mass of an object ranging from 1 gram to 100 gram, and from fractional weight from 1 milligram to 500 milligram, right? That's why we kept the weights in the physical weight box in the ratio of 5:2:1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.